Alright, now if you think application lock is important for the Samsung Galaxy phones, then go ahead and drop a comment. Let's see at least if this video reaches Samsung, and let's hope Samsung considers adding the application lock feature on Samsung Galaxy phones. And you know why I have kept the iPhone here? iPhones have already got the application lock. It's a very simple feature. You can just press and hold on the application. You get this option, require Face ID. I select that and I tap on require Face ID, and the Photos app is now locked. As you can see, it says Photos will now require Face ID. This app's content can still appear in the application shown here. You can protect this app even more by requiring Face ID for these below applications. So yes, we do have application lock on the iPhones, but not yet on Samsung Galaxy phones, which is a bummer. Now, I know some of you guys might argue that we already have secure folder. Why do we need application lock? It is just a waste of a feature. But believe me guys, secure folder is completely different. You will have to move the contents from your gallery to secure folder, or you will have to have a separate account on WhatsApp or any other applications, and the data will be encrypted. It is the safest way to protect your content or protect your files, images, videos, or even some data, but it doesn't serve the application lock purpose. Now let's say I want to hand over my phone to somebody for making a call or just to go through an article or something like that. Then I do not want them to snoop into my gallery or my messaging application, etc. If I'm able to lock the gallery or messaging application, it will be perfect. Of course, we do have pin app feature on Galaxy phones. Let's say I'm giving my phone with the calculator to somebody, then I can just swipe up and tap on this icon here and tap on pin to screen. Now they will not be able to exit this application and see any other application. You will have to swipe up and hold it and then enter the pin. Only then they will be able to access any other applications on the phone. What if I do not want to do all this, pin the application and then hand over? I might forget to do that and hand it over to somebody. Then that is not going to serve the purpose, right? So app lock is an essential feature. It definitely serves the purpose for a lot of people out there, and that is the reason why Apple has also added that feature on their phones. So why not Samsung Galaxy phones, right? Go ahead, drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. If you want this feature, make sure to drop a comment and share this video wherever you can so that our request reaches Samsung. That's about it. That's all I want to share with you guys. Hope you have already subscribed to the channel. If you want to stay updated with everything Samsung and Android, then go ahead, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you find this video informative. And if you like this wallpaper on the home screen, do not forget to download it from our Wallverse wallpaper application. This particular wallpaper is available under collections. Scroll down to go to this superhero collection here. The collection name is Beyond Powers. Just open that, scroll down, you will find that exact wallpaper under this collection. There are some beautiful wallpapers, both free and premium, and there are tons of collections. We have got video wallpapers also. We are adding more of them very soon, and we also have a depth clock wallpaper. That's a category right on top, depth clock. We are adding more of them on this category as well. And we also have desktop option where we will be adding more wallpapers under desktop, both free and premium. So the link for the application is in the description. Go ahead and check it out. Thanks for watching. Hope you have already hit that like button. Guys, take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.